Today we are going back in time to the early 90s when a pair of great kicks was born. Stay tuned. These are Nike Air Huarache! These are Nike Air Huarache and they are over 30 years old now. Of course, the model, not this particular pair. These maybe look chunky, but they're not. But they are a whole lot of other things. Take a look. Now, it's hard to believe that these were launched in 1991 because they kinda look futuristic to me. Now, to give them a bit of context, we have to know that they were designed by footwear designer Tinker Hatfield, who wanted to combine the fit of neoprene water ski boots with the functionality of South American sandals, and that's what Nike states. These have also a basketball version launched and a runner one, but I think between the three of them, these look the best, and no wonder that this model became a street icon. And speaking of looks, let's talk shop. Appearance-wise, like I have mentioned before, if you look closer, these feature futuristic lines, shapes and details everywhere. The main theme of the pair I'm holding have a all kinds of grey metals welded together vibe. If you do not dig this one, you have a lot more to choose from. A total of 6 shades of grey play the game of composing the upper for this one, and it all ends with an off-white midsole and outsole that features the 7th shade of grey as a triangle holding the logo. On the interior, things are a little more monotone with a total of only 2 shades of light grey composing it. In the back we can spot a rubberized section that also doubles as a pull loop, and for me this is the quirkiest design detail. Maybe this detail is inspired from those South American sandals. In the branding department we can spot a subtle Nike swoosh embroidered in the toes area, a Nike text on the rubber pull loop in the heel area and Air just beneath it. This one really takes me back to the 90s. And moving on, an Air Huarache by Nike, rubber tab stitched on top of the tongue, a Nike Air logo on the insole and another one on the outsole. The outsole also features a futuristic pattern with capable looking protruding studs. Are these rubber? Let's find out and talk materials. The upper is composed of various materials and leather is one of them. The mud guards in the toes area and the big patches on the sides that also contain the eyelets are made from soft malleable natural leather. It also smells like real leather. And that's the end of the leather sections, because the rest of them are synthetic, with a shine neoprene like fabric in the toes area and a similar one on the sides and in the back, only that this one is stretchy. A soft foamy one is sandwiched between the leather and the neoprene and surrounds your ankle and composes the tongue and features perforations all over. The dark grey section is, as I have mentioned before, made from rubber and feels grippy. Midsole is made from a very soft foam, and glued to it, the outsole is made from again grippy rubber. This one is almost seamlessly blended and you can almost not notice where the foam ends and the rubber starts, but that's why I'm here to show you. The whole interior is made from the stretchy material I have mentioned earlier, and that was also used on the sides and in the back, and because of it the whole shoe, especially the upper, feels very malleable and stretchy all around. The 2 side leather patches are the only things that keep your foot secured, and maybe the pull loop keeping your heel in place, just like a sandal loop in the back. Again, that South American sandal inspiration. Last but not least, the insole is a basic Nike thin soft foam insole. So let's move along and break them features apart. Now, the first thing I have noticed unboxing this last week was their weight, or better to say, their lack of, because these are way lighter than I would have ever imagined. You know that feeling where going for a big bottle of juice and thinking it is full and actually it is empty and you almost smash it through the ceiling? That's what I almost felt with this. The second big thing is the fact that the whole upper is stitched to become one single piece, no independent tongue, and that not only improves the overall comfort, but also because it was built using a lot of stretchy synthetic materials and malleable soft leather, these kicks are super easy to get on and off your feet. Just pull them on like socks using the big sturdy pull loop in the back. Not to mention that the collar is also split in the heel area, and that's also helping with getting them on. You wouldn't even need to touch the laces, they are there just in case you want to firmly secure your foot to the footbed for some running maybe. That whole upper collar is also perforated on top of being stretchy, and that helps with ventilation and make these sneakers extremely comfortable. Also comfortable is the soft, almost squishy and definitely springy midsole that pushes you forward and also offers comfort during walks. Remember, these sneakers were originally built as performance running shoes, so here's your proof. Maybe another proof can be found on the outsole that features 3 big cuts in the forefoot, making these sneakers more docile under running or walking strokes, and also giving a springy motion to the forefoot area that can keep your feet rested on long walks or runs. Now, drumroll please. Just as the name implies, these are Nike Air. And if you watched my videos before, you already know by now that these have to have an air bubble somewhere hidden in the midsole. And, drumroll again, they indeed do. It is well hidden in Huarache's case, but you can feel it if you remove the insole and press down hard against the midsole in the heel area. It has a small portion that protrudes above the midsole's foam, so it's a check for pressurized air for this. Having all that said, I would rate this as one of the most comfortable shoes I have ever experienced. Of course, I have not tried all the shoes in the world, but we're getting there. Hopefully. Now, heading back to planet Earth, I also have to mention the double eyelets line on each side composing the lacing structure that Nike calls variable width lacing. I don't really understand it, but if you do, please shed some light in the comment section. I assume you can use the exterior eyelets line to shorten the laces and prevent them from bouncing around while running, or maybe I'm completely in the woods here. Again, write them ideas below please. In the meantime, let's draw conclusions. So these are an overall very comfortable sock-like kicks suitable for running as well as excellent daily drivers. Now if you like these and are serious about grabbing a pair, here's what to think about before taking the step. First of all, these do not offer the conventional heel support that you are maybe used to with other kicks, and besides that rubber pull loop that can maybe act as a Achilles tendon support, your heel will not be held firm. In the how do they fit department, even Nike states that these run small and you should consider ordering a half size up. Last but not least, let's find out what other buyers think about this. So scrolling through the reviews, most of them mention how comfortable these are, and all 629 reviews at the time we recorded this episode add up to a total of 4.5 stars out of a total of 5. So with that said, there's nothing more I could say. Now it's your turn. Leave your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe to not miss the next review that could be of your previous, current or future favorite sneakers. See you in the next one.
I give you sneakers.
Just press